This is gonna be the elevator at the newer tower at the, what's the name of this place? The Shepherd's Beach Resort in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Got some Schindler 3300s. I don't know why I keep wanting to say fifth. It's because I really want to ride one, but we're gonna go up to 6. Here we go. We're on 6. Let's take a look out. Wow. We're gonna note what we don't want you to leave. I love those chimes.
Me too.
1. Here's a view of your cab. Just like almost all 3300s, it looks like a house elevator. Looks very nice though, nonetheless. Very smooth.
Yeah.
You're on 1. Watch the button go out. Let's watch it shut. There it goes, and that's it.